Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Miss Vonnie, and today we will be installing the Merlot wig on my client. So as you can see, my client has a lot of hair, a lot of thick hair. So I am parting her hair down the middle, and I am doing some pop smoke style braids. And once I get done with these braids, I'm just gonna bring it all to the back and sew it down in the back of her head, and that's what we're gonna do for this style. So more information about this wig. This wig has an elastic band in the top, and it also has a 5x5 closure, and it has 3 bundles of 18-inch, and it was layered, and we just freshly washed the wig. And so it may look a little crazy because we just freshly washed it and blow dried it, but we are going to show you how we get this thing together. So the hair is like pretty silky, so I didn't have to straighten it before I went to curling it. And I have a really good curling iron. What I'm using is a T3 curling iron. I think it's like a size 1 inch or something like that. But that's what I'm using to curl the hair. So I'm doing like the loose wave type curls. So what you're going to see me do is after I curl the hair around the barrel, I'm going to leave the end out, and then I'm going to press the hair out in between the plates, and the end I'm going to elongate that curl. So normally if I was doing this, like if I was curling someone's hair, I would curl all of it and pin curl it at the root so it could have that volume look, but we wanted to elongate it because we're going to create some waves with this style. So I went all over the head in small sections. It really didn't take me long to curl his hair, maybe about 30 minutes. The process that took the longest is the part that's coming up, which is the lace closure. So what I did was I sprayed some Got To Be Glued, the freeze spray, on the closure and the front of the closure, and I took my comb and my blow dryer and I used that to smooth it out. Then after I did that, I went in with a curling iron, the same curling iron I used to curl the hair, and I flattened the closure from the root. This is also perfect if you do not have a hot comb. I had a hot comb, but I really didn't feel like heating it up because I just like to use the curling iron when I don't want to use my hot comb. So I used that at the root to flatten out the lace closure. And the part, I didn't really need to pluck the part. I didn't have to pluck the part because the part was, the closure was bleached. The knots are bleached on the closure. So I separated the baby hairs from the closure, and now I'm just using the baby hairs. So normally I use a spoolie for my baby hairs, but I did not have one, so I had to use the comb. And I'm actually really glad that the comb, worked really well. And also what I did was I used an eyebrow razor to cut the lace because it keeps it from having that straight line. So I used the eyebrow razor. So now we're just doing a comb out, and it's exactly the way I wanted to. Those wave look in the hair is just so full. And believe it or not, this wig has been washed like 3 times, and it still has that nice shine and nice luster. Just absolutely gorgeous. This is raw hair from Brillare Tresses, and just gorgeous. It came out exactly how you want it, and it has that volume, that body. Very beautiful. So now we're just, going to spin around in a chair and show you how beautiful it came out. And we're just really admiring the hair and playing with it. And we was giving direction. I was giving her direction of like what to do. And yeah, this is a really beautiful look. And I just love the hair. Well, of course I love the hair, but it's really nice. There we go. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Um, when you get a chance, check out the wig on the site. Very easy, very simple. It's just an elastic band holding the wig down. And just look how nice it looks. So thank you for watching and you have a lovely day. Bye.